Do you employ staff? In 4 days, as an employer, you will need to have complied with the PAYG reporting requirements. But there are exemptions. Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MW Lomax, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial goals. Businesses employing staff are generally required to have lodged their PAYG reports with the ATO by the 14th of August next. If you are struggling to make this happen, please contact us at compliance@mwlomax.com.au, or for those who are clients of MW Lomax, contact your client account manager for assistance. In the introduction, I said there were exemptions to this requirement, and that extends to the very small companies that only employ family members. Generally speaking, those businesses which only employ their directors may hold an exemption to lodge PAYG summaries at the same time as lodging their tax returns. For us, the tax specialist, this means we can adjust drawings from a business to the owners to best maximise the effect of marginal tax brackets and, more importantly, save you money. Remember, of course, there are rules around provisions and strategies like these. Paying salaries means incurring on-costs such as superannuation through SGC requirements and workers' compensation insurance. Lodgement of tax returns has to be within ATO guidelines, and you need to have been granted an extension of time to lodge. That then asks a number of questions that all can be answered through an MW Lomax specialist. How can I get this extension? As clients of MW Lomax, your client account manager will have already applied and received it. Has your accountant? If I have a superannuation liability, where should I pay it? Our financial planning people will be more than happy to have that discussion along with our risk experts looking at your life and other insurances and whether it is appropriate to arrange via your superannuation funds that you are now required to contribute. If there are extra on-costs and these are causing cash flow issues, the MW Lomax mortgage brokers may be able to assist you. Can I pay my SGC liability to my self-managed superannuation fund? Now, I will answer that one here and now, and the answer is yes, as long as the self-managed superannuation fund is a complying fund. The question then is your fund a complying one? Questions. There are always questions, and many of us know not who to ask, let alone at sometimes what actually to ask. There is a place where all your finance and tax questions can be answered, and that is at MW Lomax. If you want this type of service, simply contact us at strategy@mwlomax.com.au, and we will be more than happy to help you negotiate your way through.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MW Lomax, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.